Welcome to One Talk. Today we are in the workshop to check the cold joint machine already finished. That is the second set joint machine for our customer. Now in their workshop, they already have 6 set joint machine in the workshop made from us. They are produced the EV battery shell is the 3003 aluminum area. So today I will show you more detail about the machine. For the machine is the one point of the good product factors. For this project, we assist this customer to change and modify the machine structure and different details. So ensure every detail can make the final products in the machine. Let me show you the details. Firstly, this is the main joint frame. Due to the raw material size is different. Different automobile company, they have the different type of the EV battery shell size. So we use the rollers in this way to adjust the size when the raw material size is different. It's more flexible for the production need. Also for the main joint frame, we use the motor to control the main joint up and down and make the micro adjustment in the die spacement. So it can ensure the tolerance and the accuracy of the joint pipe. And also this main joint frame can up and down. It's more easier for the operator to operate the machine. Not so tired. And also use the PLC program to operate the whole system to make and update the program in the touch screen. It's more convenient for the operator to update the new program. And also is the automatic rack. We change the rack structure to the normal type. It's only used for the square EV car battery shells. In this rack, we use the adjustable rollers to use for the different size. And also the key point of this machine is equip the linear track. And also to equip the hydraulic system. And for this machine, to ensure the machine stable and make the good result of the tolerance of the material, and during drawing process, the material will not crack during drawing. And we equip the hydraulic oil cylinder. This is the oil cylinder and the hydraulic system. For the hydraulic station, we equip the servo motor to control the whole system. It can improve the machine stable. Also, in the clamp, you may find is use the oil system to control the carriage forward and backward. Use the oil cylinder to control the whole working. In this process, the clamp can move slowly. This is a factor to affect the joint pipe in the good result of knots. Actually, in the machine, we still modify some details and some structures, some points in the joint machine. The purpose is to assist our customer to make the good result in the final products. Help our customers to get more orders from their customer. For the automobile company, they are the big brand and with the big quantity in the orders. So we need to convert the machine stable to make the good result, high accuracy joint pipe, and to improve the efficiency for our customer. So if you are looking for the solution for the EV battery shell, you can contact us. We will discuss more details in this project. FangRong company not only provide the machine, but also provide the solution service for the joint machine, straightening machine, and the plating machine.